Now who is next? Now who is next?
Sir Pradeep.
What is your name?
Sir Pradeep.
Okay. You are preparing for sale or RCFL?
And sir fact. Fertilizer and
Fact.
chemicals.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Pradeep. Welcome to MargDarshan. First of all, give your brief introduction.
Sir, myself Pradeep. I have done my graduation from Punjab University UIT Department Chandigarh, and I am from Alwar district, Rajasthan. My father works in NHPC, and currently I am preparing for PSU exams. And my hobby is reading and
Okay.
playing badminton.
Okay. What kind of book you will like to read?
I have read some fiction stories, like I can remember some of Chetan Bhagat. I read. After
Okay. What do you learn from those books? Can you give any example which you think
what
you
I
have
have
learned from those books?
So what I have learned from those was actually currently with just like we are in adult age, and currently facing some of the same issues that are described in that book and how to deal with that particularly. So I can relate with that, and I can manage some of my issues.
Okay. You are pass out from which year?
22 sir.
2022.
Yes.
Okay. So after 2022, there is a year gap of 2 years. In those 2 years, what you will do?
Pradeep, you are not audible.
Your voice is not audible.
Yes, you are not audible, Pradeep. Please check your mic.
1 second. Hello. Am
Yes,
I audible, sir?
yes, you are audible now.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, when I finished my BTech in college in 2022 August, I left the college. After that, I have started preparing for GATE, and I have prepared by self study and by mock test series. But I didn't get that rank to get into PSU, so I start preparing for the PSUs which are conducting their own exams, and I start giving that exam. I have given exams and qualified, but not permanent jobs I get. So I keep on preparing for exams.
Okay. What do you understand by fact, the company which you will want to join?
Sir, it is basically a fertilizer and chemical based company, PSU, which works particularly in the field of fertilizers, chemicals, and agrochemical products. It deals with the agriculture policies that the government makes and try to fulfill the demand of food in our country. It also has some petrochemicals and
Okay.
industrial based products.
Which companies are competitor of fact?
Sir, in competitor of facts, we have NFL in the northern part of the India, and RCFL
Okay.
is also a competitor of fact. And other than this one, IFCO company is also there.
Okay. Do you know that what is the full form of IFCO?
No, sir, I don't. I just remember short form.
Okay. And what is the full form of fact?
Fertilizer and Chemical Trencor Limited.
Okay. Why do you want to join only fact, not other PSUs? Like if you got the possibility to join NFL, RCFL, and FACT, which company you will choose?
Sir, I basically want a job that is related to my field, like electrical field. So I guess all PSUs are same, but I am getting opportunity for this fact only. That's why I'm only inclined to join this company at this time, as I'm going to work as a management trainee in the in their industrial manufacturing plant where a lot of electrical equipments going to be used. So I will be gaining some practical knowledge. That's why I'm going for this.
Okay, okay, right. How can you differentiate between synchronous motor and a synchronous condenser?
Synchronous motor, sir,
Both are same or different?
sir, synchronous motor and synchronous generator,
Condenser.
condenser. So both are same basically, but some special conditions we use when we are using synchronous motor as a condenser. Overexcited, we keeping the motor overexcited and the shaft is not too large. It is basically for providing the reactive power and improving the power factor.
Okay. What do you understand by reactive power?
Reactive power is that power that is used to stabilize the magnetic field in the machines for stabilizing the flux.
How it is important in a machine? Like if reactive power is not there, so you are saying that the machine will not start.
Sir, if reactive power is not, it is like supportive for flowing the real power in transmission line also. And in machine, reactive power is needed for stabilizing the magnetic field, which is essential for working as a electromechanical machines.
How it is essential? Do you have any idea?
Sir, if I take example like synchronous generator, if we take, we apply DC supply in the field winding to get flux generated, and due to flux linkage, only then we can generate the EMF. That much.
Actually, for the energy conversion, we have to have a medium. The flux will create that medium so that the energy can be converted. Electrical energy to mechanical energy or mechanical energy to electrical energy. Right?
Yes.
The flux will provide that medium. Okay.
Okay.
What do you understand by corona?
Corona is a effect which is being observed in the mainly in the long transmission lines when the line is operating above the critical disruptive voltage. If the voltage of the supply is greater than the critical disruptive voltage, we observe the hissing sound and corona can be observed.
You are saying that the corona loss is exist only in long transmission line, but we
Mainly,
can also see that in short transmission lines also. How you can say that it will exist on only on long transmission line?
so majorly it is observed in long transmission, but a small portion it can be observed in short transmission also. Sir, your voice is not audible. Sir, you are not audible. Hello.
What is the meaning of critical disruptive voltage? My voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Critical disruptive voltage is that particular voltage. If
What is
transmission, hello, not audible, sir. Your voice is not audible.
disruptive voltage?
Yes, sir. Now, critical disruptive voltage is that particular voltage. If transmission lines voltage is greater than that voltage, corona is just initiated, and we can only hear the hissing sound. It is not visible at that voltage.
Okay. What is the value of a critical disruptive voltage?
Sir, standard value, I don't know.
It is 30 kV per centimeter
Oh,
and 21.1 or peak
RMS
value.
value. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I
RMS
thought.
value.
Okay.
Okay. What are the causes of low power factor?
Mainly the causes are inductive loads and low power factor is caused due to inductive load because it demands reactive power and it will overburden the generating station for supplying the reactive power.
Okay. What is the negative impact on that?
If power factor is
How it
low,
will overburden?
because the transmission for transmitting the power, we some sort of reactive power is needed for by the transmission line. Other than that, if inductive loads are using, then reactive power is demanded by the all induction machines, and mainly industries may induction motors and machines are used. So in that way, it will burden the system.
Okay. What is the meaning of time constant?
Time constant is defined for the charging and charging of the LC circuits.
And ac- what is the difference between circuits and network? Both are same or different?
Circuit. Mm, sorry, sir, I don't remember the difference.
Okay. What is the meaning of a network?
Network is a closed path which contain the electrical elements.
And circuit?
Yes, sir, I remember that. In network, basically we have the some energy source, and in closed path electrical elements. In circuits, we don't have any di- energy source. We just only have the elements and closed path.
Okay. What is the meaning of quality factor?
Quality factor. Sorry, sir, I don't remember.
Okay. What do you understand by resonance?
Resonance is a condition in which the impedance in series in which the reactive part is going to be zero, and we get the unity power factor.
Can you give some examples of resonance?
Resonance is being used in oscillators. LC oscillators we use as a
Okay.
resonance, and for tuning circuits, microphones.
Okay. Right. See, your interview is over. I am giving you feedback. Your intro part is okay. Actually, you have to revise some technical portion, right? Right. You have good technical knowledge, but you have to revise all those things very well,
Mm.
right? Like you have to forget the quality factor, network and circuits difference. Okay. You
Yes.
have to only revise. Mostly technical questions are there from electrical machine, measurement, network theory, power system, and electrical measurement, right? Mostly questions are from there only.
Okay, sir.
They are not asked from very deep questions. They ask only basic questions and prepare about fact company very well, like
सर आई कैन
HR portion questions.
मैं सर वही पूछा था कि फैक्ट कंपनी में सर एचआर
Yes,
क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे लाइक
actually टेक्निकल पोर्शन भी हो सकता है, HR भी हो सकता है, डिपेंड करता है इंटरव्यूअर के मूड पे। टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन भी पूछे जा सकते हैं, चांसेस कम होते हैं, वैसे डीप में क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछते हैं बहुत ज्यादा, बेसिक बेसिक क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछते, लेकिन बेसिक क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आपको प्रॉपरली देना पड़ेगा। पूरा कोई इंटरव्यू आपका 4 बेसिस हो ऐसा तो बिल्कुल पॉसिबल नहीं है।
यस
ठीक है। टेक्निकल पोर्शन भी आपका टेक्निकल ठीक है, थोड़ी सी इंप्रूवमेंट की नीड है। बाकी कुछ
ओके
क्वेश्चन मैंने काफी डीप में पूछे, तो उनके आंसर मैंने आपको कर दिए थे इंटरव्यू के बीच में ही, फीडबैक मैंने उन चीज का दे दिया था आपको। ठीक है।
हम्म,
बाकी क्वेश्चन बहुत डीप में नहीं पूछेंगे, बेसिक बेसिक चीजें ही आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे, उतना ही सफिशिएंट है फैक्ट के लिए। ठीक है।
ओके सर।
टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस तो इसलिए जरूरत होती है कि मे बी कई बार इंटरव्यूअर अगर काफी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस भी आपसे पूछे तो आप आंसर कर सकें प्रॉपरली, क्योंकि इंटरव्यू में आपको लर्न करना है, मॉक इंटरव्यू में। ठीक, तभी आप मेन इंटरव्यू में आप इंप्रूवमेंट कर पाएंगे।
ओके सर।
ठीक है। यहाँ पर तो हम लोग ऐसी प्रैक्टिस ही कराते हैं ताकि आप ओरिजिनल इंटरव्यू में और अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकें, हर तरीके के क्वेश्चन फेस कर सकें। एचआर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हो गए, बाकी की चीजें टेक्निकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हो गए, तो हर चीज चीज के लिए आप प्रिपेयर रहे, चाहे आपका इंटरव्यू एचआर ओरिएंटेड हो या टेक्निकल ओरिएंटेड भी हो, तब भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो।
ओके सर।
ठीक है। ओके। और कोई क्वेश्चन आपका?
नहीं सर।